What is USDN? USDN is the stablecoin in the ngk.io blockchain, which is used for the value reserve and value exchange of all contracts in the blockchain. Also used to promote the ngk blockchain, and can also be used to buy block producer computing power to participate in the block producer mining mechanism. Moreover, USDN have achieved a good media relationship in blockchain applications. There will be more dApp applications in the ngk.io using USDN to trade, and dApp merchants or businesses can use the USDN to solve the payment problems of global users and the circulation problems between industries. First USDN issuance 0. Price 1 USDN equals about $1. Circulation volume determines the total amount of USDN to issue or destroy according to the market demand. USDN release mode. Release by exchanging within platform. USDN issuance mode. Produce a premium to eliminate the market's bond vouchers and issue additional incentives to the equity index. USDN destruction mode. Conduct destruction by issuing bonds. USDN equilibrium mode. Stabilize the market price by algorithm. Stablecoin plays an important role in all digital currencies, which not only can solve the transaction and storage demand between the various users, but also will not be affected by the big market to produce large fluctuations. It is a digital currency that can be traded freely. The premise is that it has the most stable anchoring value, but most of the stablecoin on the market is issued by mortgaging the dollar to the institution, and for the mortgage-type stablecoin, this mechanism means that the stablecoin will lose its own value. USDN gives up the traditional mortgage method, uses blockchain smart contract to realize the stability mechanism on the algorithm so that the participants in the market can algorithm stability endorsement. USDN is a new stablecoin which combines the operation ability. When losing the mortgage endorsement, the market circulation is its endorsement, and when there is no circulation, the algorithm mechanism is the guarantee of value. By making smart contracts transparent, to see USDN stable, balanced, open, and transparent to all, USDN already constitute the most solid trust system in the digital market when everyone is still thinking about the future of the stablecoin. The same token as the dollar is an anchor of the global universal currency, a common digital token that connects the global digital economy. USDN Smart Contract Algorithm. USDN Smart Contract Stabilization Algorithm has three mechanisms: USDN Circulation Currency, a global stable digital currency; US Bond Certificates, certificates used to issue and destroy stablecoins; US Equity Index, only for additional issuance of stablecoin and used to reward equity index holders. When the USDN currency in circulation decreases in market demand and the purchase price is less than $1, the smart contract issues bond vouchers at less than 1 USDN price, and investors use their own USDN currency to buy bond vouchers. The system automatically destroys this part of the USDN currency in circulation, reducing the number of USDN in circulation on the market. Then the price of USDN naturally returns to the $1 price. When the market demand for USDN currency increases, that is, the number of investors held in the market increases, then the price of the USDN will be higher than $1, and the smart contract will automatically issue the USDN currency to pay the bond certificate in the market, and the bond certificate held by the investor will be automatically converted into circulation currency with 1-to-1 ratio. If additional issuance is still required after all the bonds have been paid, the system will reward the holders of the USDN equity index, proportionally distributed according to the number of shares held in accordance with the smart contract. Algorithm formula. 1. Additional stablecoins are issued when demand rises and the price exceeds the anchored dollar. E is greater than 1. 2. Destroy stablecoins when demand drops and the price is less than the anchored dollar. E is less than 1. How to purchase bond vouchers. As the market value is in a state of loss, the blockchain system will issue the bond voucher, and the user can obtain the USDN bond voucher by rush purchase. When the market value is in a state of premium, the blockchain system automatically converts all the bond vouchers held in the address into the USDN currency. The bond voucher is not tradable and transferred. How to obtain equity index? USDN users of the 50 million exchange equivalent USDN circulating currency before the smart contract is set to obtain the equivalent equity index. The equity index is not tradable and transferred. USDN platform route. The USDN is stablecoin. The algorithm makes USDN not to produce the big increase. The online exchange in the early stage cannot have the core competitiveness. That is, USDN listed to the exchange without a trading consensus is difficult to achieve good results. So the development team will be USDN into applied tokens to solve more scenarios of payment liquidation problems so that USDN boasts both application performance, payment performance, as well as algorithmic performance. The underlying technical architecture of the ngk.io blockchain gives USDN faster trading speed, which means it can be applied to various scenarios and generate circulation quickly. As soon as such a USDN is agreed upon by the market, it works the same as any stablecoin in the market. USDN function. USDN stablecoin will always remain around $1, making it more stable by algorithms. USDN can trade freely within the platforms. Any wallet linked through ngk.io blocks can be used to receive ngk or USDN. Users within the platform can use the purchase of block producer computing power or exchange other digital currencies within the platform by USDN, such as USDT or ETH. In the future, ngk.io blockchain will create a global exchange. USDN will be listed on the platform's exchanges. USDN will become the platform's exchange trading medium for any value storage and conversion.